Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to purchase the Forestry token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I like to point out as well, I do have a lot of crypto videos coming out. So if you guys are into cryptocurrencies and you want to purchase the new coins right when they come out, I do have tutorials very, very quickly after coins come out. So be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in cryptocurrencies. Anyhow, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to purchase from your exchange. So from BNB, from Binance, over to your Trust Wallet, and then into Pancakeswap. So the full thing. So just be sure to stay tuned to follow along and purchase this coin. So the first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort. And then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that, or at an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words, or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain, or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB, or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now, I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now, what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network, and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And once your BNB has transferred into the Smart Chain here, you guys can go ahead and add the Forestry token to your Trust Wallet. And to do that, I'll have a link over to the BSC scan website with the Forestry token contract ID on there. So I'll show you guys right here. Once you guys are on BSC scan, you just want to scroll down and find the contract ID right here. You want to go ahead and click on it. Now you guys got to be really, really careful and make sure you guys get the real BSC scan. There is like 3 of them for forestry on here. So just make sure you guys click the link I have in the description. You'll see it's the one with a lot of holders here. Right now at the time of recording, it's 8,000 holders. And you guys can see there's lots of transactions and stuff going on. Anyhow, once you guys copy the contract ID, you want to exit out of here and go over to Trust Wallet. And then you want to go over to the top right and where you see the 2 lines and the 2 circles, click on that, and you want to paste in the contract ID right here. We will then see Add Custom Token. So we're going to click on Add Custom Token, and it's going to ask us for the network. So we're going to click on that and switch it to Smart Chain. We're going to then paste the address into where it says contract address here. And then it's going to ask us for a name. So we can put forestry. Symbol, we can just put forestry as well. And then for decimals, you guys want to head back over to BSC scan, and you guys can see right there it says decimals, and you have 9. So we can go back here and put 9, and then click done and save. Once that is done, you will have the forestry in your Trust Wallet just like this. And then what we have to do is we just have to make sure we have the browser option on our app here. So if you guys don't have the browser option, you guys are going to have to go over to the next link I have in the description. It'll just bring you over to the Trust Wallet website, and you guys have to go through the enabling process for your DApps browser. It's very, very easy. So if you just scroll down, you'll see step 1 is to click on this link here. Once you click on the link, it's going to open up this little pop-up here asking you to open the page in your Trust Wallet. You want to click on open, and then it will add the browser there for you on your Trust Wallet. So it's very, very easy. Once you guys have the browser on your Trust Wallet, you just guys want to go over to browser and to Pancakeswap. And once you're on Pancakeswap, you want to go over to the top of your screen where you see on Connect. Once you click on Connect, you just want to click on Trust Wallet, and then it will add in your contract ID right there for you, or your wallet ID, sorry. Once you have your wallet ID in there, you're good to start purchasing your coin. So you just want to go to where it says select a currency, and you want to paste the address that we got off BSC scan in here as well. And then we should see forestry. We want to go ahead and click on add, and then click on it, and it'll add it to your transaction log right here. So now you just have to decide how much BNB that you guys want to spend. So let's just say if you wanted to spend 1 BNB, you guys can just click 1 BNB or whatever the amount is that you want to spend, and then it will show you your amount of forestry you're going to get in exchange. Now I would set the slippage tolerance as well to 12. So to change your slippage tolerance, you just want to go to the little button beside exchange, click on the lines there and change it to 12. It just makes the transaction go through a lot quicker because these coins are very volatile and sometimes liquidity is an issue. So you guys want to make sure that your transaction goes through. Now, once you guys have done that, you just want to click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It's just going to tell you to continue or buy there. And then it's going to open up a page showing you a more broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and your conversion rate and things like that. If you're okay with those numbers, you guys can just go ahead and confirm that transaction. Once you confirm the transaction in a couple minutes, you can just go back to your wallet and your forestry is going to be there for you. Very, very simple and easy to purchase. Anyways, I really hope I helped you guys out with showing you guys how to purchase the forestry token. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.